The fuck? What was that?
You're in a rush, mate. That was worth it, wasn't it? Oh, you knobhead. Last minute, was it?
Why don't you do what you're doing, yeah? And I do what I'm doing. Right.
Can you afford to lose your licence, mate? Can you afford to lose your licence?
Well, no, I can't know.
If there was a copper behind you,
Huh?
if there was a copper behind you, you'd have no hesitation in pulling you over.
Doing 20 miles an hour and get around it.
Yeah, because he's a really old car.
Haha.
Stormus on his way, hurls this down and drops a lovely solid shot from Moan. Defensive batter. Now they're going to put a
Jitting Peugeot! I stop.
disorder actually because so they're Moan.
So if we picked up Jess at around 7:10, we'd still be there for about 20 past.
Really?
Well, it's a little long distance. I think he was back in Belfast.
Insurance. We cover loss of income, the costs of dealing with the
Yep,
attack,
that's
and we'll
people
get you
shipping
back up and
lots of
running
hay.
fast. East Cox, ever onwards.
More fly tipping and more left in the front of their houses than there is already.
Is this guy for real?
0345 6060 973.
Dropping off on double yellows.
545 is Aziz.
Shadow Chancellor John McDonnell's declared Labour is ready to fight and win a general
done, mate.
election and prepared to force through a radical programme of nationalisation.
Because it wasn't in your sphere when you started your career. What do you target in the next few years?
Oh man, I'd love to win the Olympics. That'd be great. That's definitely something that, it's in the back of my mind. 4 years is a very long.
Oh, look at that. First in front, no lights on. He has magical abilities. There we go. The lights are on. He's realised, because funnily enough it's dark. And when it's dark you put your lights on, but
Because we're off, because we've got a bit of a long weekend together.
Yeah.
We wanted to go around Chatsworth when it's all decorated for Christmas.
Oh yeah.
And we said, well, actually, if we go on a weekday earlier in the season, what is happening?
just a bit of road rage.
That's going to be a lot less busy than a weekend.
perfect.
Yeah.
Like at the very earliest. And my mum's still on a Christmas ban.
I think these two are going to exchange some words now. Yeah, they're having a barn at each other. I reckon they're going to have a little. I don't know.
I thought he was going to drive
I
off.
thought he was going to drive through the red light, yeah.
No idea.
They're going to race each other.
Yeah, they are. Look at that.
Keep,
Oh
your,
my God,
keep your
what-
distance, because they're not going to give. And neither's this white one. What idiots.
I won't lie, that is one of my favourite things to do at home. Is get to a red light and you see the boy racers beside you and go, yeah, I have to beat you now.
That was a waste of time because he was going there anyway. Now though. Oh, got right across my path. An obstacle. I had a really awkward conversation. Now you're in the wrong lane there. That's twice you buggered up.
Really awkward conversation.
Still one of the slowest red light runs I've ever seen in my life, but
Okay, I think that we're gonna need firing up. Some Jim McVeigh, when I run up in the game, I'm firing up. Mind out of the way, 10 years in the game, we're tiring up. I'm here with the Bible say, what goes and don't. I keep rolling up on the any foes I face, wanna meet in a public open space. Seen all my brains, one sound and take all the picnic chains. Don't play no games.
Well, thanks for giving way your banner.
Because we read in the newspapers that they've been texting each other. Do you think he's taken a leaf out of Steve Bannon's book?
I think what Bannon and Trump.
that's fine, but I need to pay. Thanks guys. Don't know where you're going.
Whoa!
Minister, so I'm guessing he has to follow the party line slightly, maybe not, I don't know.
Sometimes there is a line that's not fashionable.
It's thrown a ball at the bus.
I actually would like him and all.
It's just a sign to show you. Yeah. Fucking idiot.
What a stupid place to leave your bus. In rush hour as well. Oh, absolute nana. Sat there just reading his paper.
Still, depressed and I'm still anxious. I've come down to this inquiry for 3 days and it's really
Of course, and it clearly transformed your life for the worse.